Whop. Up. Up. Bam.
Performances.
That's We're about to teach you how to add more power and speed to your Muay Thai leg kicks. Are you ready to show them?
Yes.
Let's go. I'm gonna use a couple of superstars that you guys might recognize while we're teaching this. The first one we're gonna teach is, I call this the Porsanae. It's more of a Sitmonchai style. It's about really putting the whole body into the leg kick. When you're doing the Sitmonchai low kick, first thing you're gonna do is make sure that you have that good distance. It's about good distance. Bop, that's where you're gonna kick from. You're gonna measure with your lead hand. Second thing you're gonna do is you're gonna step outside that line like we just talked about. And the third thing you're gonna do is put the whole body into it, making sure you swing your arm. Let's go, Tito. Bop, bop, go, bop, good. Bop, 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 bop. Up, good. And up, there you go. Very nice. You notice what he's doing. He's not only loading up and jumping into that power kick, he's finishing how he started. I want you to observe. Touch, jump into it, whop, finish how he starts. Okay, so from here he can block, bomb, he can lean back, whop, he can cross, or he can jab, whatever you want to do. So you want to make sure that you finish the way you start. I'm going to be redundant. Finish the way that you start. Up. There we go. Now he can't stop the teeth. He couldn't stop the high volume punches. Basically, he can't defend himself because of his feet. You didn't start that way, so we don't want you to finish that way either. One more time, the proper way, Tito. Touch for distance, visualizing the center line down his opponent, back foot off the ground, and you're gonna push off the ground, jump into it. Basically like you're running into it. That's what we want you to do. Run into that leg. Here we go. Run into that leg. Whop, again. Again. Very good. Finish how he starts. Sitmonchai, Muay Thai low kick. Next up on the menu, I call this one the Liam Harrison style low kick. It's very effective, very fast. The difference with this one is it's more about speed, quickness, not really too much power like the Sitmonchai. In my opinion, it's a little bit more practical. It's faster, all right? And you can get off multiple kicks with this Liam Harrison style kick. Shout out to Liam. With this one, simply touching for distance, and what he does, he hops off the back foot. But if you notice, unlike the Sitmonchai style where I'm hopping through the center line, with the Liam Harrison style kick, he stays in the same place. I'm touching, bang, and I hop off the back foot. Kind of like you're jumping over something. Pretend that this is a line right here. Watch how I jump over something. Here, bang, just like that. Bop, watch my foot. I'm gonna lift the front foot, and you're gonna pretend like you're jumping over something. That's the way that I remember it. Bop, and then I wham, straight back down. With the hands, it's very important because you know sometimes when people are low kicking, it's easy to get countered with the straight hand. Meaning, I kick and I boom. Liam is very good at this, man. He touch, and then it's a quick one. Bang, just like that. My hands are up. I want you to try to cross this time, Tito. Bang, okay. Bang, right there. And it's more fast. Big punches, and quick one. Boom, quick, bam, wham, dot, quick, bam. Back to guard. Very effective. Remember, distance is very important because you don't really want to hit with your foot, but you want to hit with that lower half of the shin because that's going to make good distance even after you land it. What I mean is, I'm touching. I don't want to go too high on my shin. I'm very close to getting countered. So it's long, bang, bang, quick, bang, right there. Look where I'm at. I can protect myself. If need to, I can step back, I can turn, and I'm not in the line of fire of getting countered. So it's that quick reaction, that bang, real fast. Ready to give it to him?
Yes.
Tabernacle, let's go. Yeah, there you go, very good. Look at his distance. Controlling his distance. Up, very good. Up, faster, balance. Bang, hop, bang, bang, there we go. Faster. There we go. Good distance. Liam. Good. And the good thing about this one is once you land it and you get them turned, you can do it multiple times. But here's the conundrum. You're not really moving off the spot when you're doing it multiple times, if that makes sense. I'll show you. If you can get their body turned with the low kick, bam, he turns, same spot. Bam, same spot. I'm not going closer. I'm not fading back as I kick. It's the same spot. That's how you really add that hurting to him. Nice and quick. You're going to finish how you start. You're not going to have your feet going everywhere after you land it. And you're going to have a strong guard after you finish, just in case they try to counterattack you. You ready?
Yes.
Here we go. What happens if you turn them? Yeah, same side, same side, same side. Go, 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 go. Pop, pop. Go, go, fast. Pop, pop, pop. There we go. Good. Again. Pop, long. Pop, pop. Faster, faster, faster. All right. Slow. So now that you have the two different variations of the Muay Thai low kick, I'm going to show you how to apply it when it's time to get that smoke. You ready?
Yes.
Tabernacle. Let's go. You know that we like to use the proverbial center line. I always tell you guys that when you have the Muay Thai stance, you should open up your leg just a little bit. That way when they low kick, it's easy to block. Bang. Even if they punch, low kick, bang, it's easy to block. Not everyone does that. Some people have their foot at 12 o'clock, which makes it much easier to land that low kick. So with that one, I recommend using the Liam Harrison style low kick for the speed. Remember, speed kills, speed thrills. So when you're sparring next time or you're fighting, I want you to look at the waist, not the face. Look at your partner's front foot. If it's 12 o'clock and it's a little bit on the center line, bang, hit him with that fast Liam. Go, go, bang. You see, it's damn near impossible to block. Again, Liam, bang. Really examine. This is my partner. This is how I usually stand. Now my foot is at 12 o'clock. It's a regular boxing stance. When they're standing like this, even if they try to block it, you have a better chance of getting around that block and still getting that leg meet. Ma, go, bang, you see? That's how you're gonna utilize that Liam Harrison kick, ma. If you notice their foot is at 12, you get it quick. Bang, easy enough. Otro más, bang. They can't stop that. Next up is the Sitmonchai style kick that you're gonna apply during your sparring. With this one, because you're committing so much body, it's a little bit more telegraph. You wanna make sure that you're good to go to kick. That way you don't get this block, because it will hurt you just as much as them. You wanna punch, set them up with the hands, get them on their back foot, and that's when you can land that shot. This is what I mean as an example. So I punch. I push him back. You see he's on his back foot. There's no way that he can block that. I'm committed now to jumping over that line and really landing that low kick. So I pop, he's pushed back. Now I can do it. Wham! One more time with that Sitmonchai style. Again, it's very good to set it up with the hand. So I'm gonna say wham. I'm gonna get him on his back foot. I don't care if you have to double jab. I don't care if you have to push. We wanna make sure that they're on their back foot, which is gonna stop them from blocking, all right? And think about this. Even if they do try to block, you're gonna be hopping over the center line. So even if he lifts, bam, you go over the leg. That's one of the advantages in my opinion. Because I pop, he's on his back foot. Oh, get back. Bam, right there. Turn, hopping into it, all right? If I wanted to, I could break this dude's legs in half, but I'm a nice guy. You ready to give it to him quickly?
Yes.
Tabernacle, show him what time it is, free. So you pop, you go, very good. He's distracting him, and if you notice, I still lifted a little bit out of habit, but he was able to get over that guard. That's what you're gonna do also. So this time you can punch and then push, right? Pop, wham, ooh, poblaci. So that's only a snippet of the full version that's now available on the KMA online Muay Thai drills and workouts program. To get registered for 4 tiers of authentic Muay Thai, all you have to do is hit the link in the pinned comment or the description. And to get dripped out with us with KMA apparel and Muay Thai training gear, just hit that shop link in our pinned comment in the description. If you want more Muay Thai tutorials on our channel, all you have to do is click this video right here. It's gonna give you our full playlist that we know that you're gonna enjoy.